Hello and welcome to today's session. This session focuses on assignment discussion for the Unit Core Principles of Chemistry, CUA. In this video, we will explore the key concepts of chemistry essential for the core unit assessment in access to HE medicine. From enthalpy changes to redox processes, we will highlight the fundamental principles you need to understand and apply in your assignments. The awarding body for this unit is Ascentis. The core unit assessment in chemistry is at level 3 with 6 credits. It requires a written assessment covering all questions. The grading uses Ascentis grades 1, 2, and 3. A periodic table and calculator are essential tools. This assessment demonstrates readiness for higher education science study. Accuracy, structure, and scientific reasoning are crucial. Attempting all questions is mandatory. A periodic table and calculator are required. This is a core unit assessment for access to HE medicine. The learning outcomes focus on 5 key areas. These include enthalpy changes, reaction rates, chemical equilibrium, acids and bases, and redox processes. Each area requires a deep understanding and application of concepts. Mastery of these topics is crucial for success. Let's explore each in detail. Understand the difference between exothermic and endothermic reactions. Define activation energy and interpret enthalpy profile diagrams. Learn about standard enthalpy changes of formation, combustion, and reaction. Apply Hess's law using enthalpy cycles. Bond enthalpy and calorimetry calculations are essential skills. Label enthalpy diagrams clearly and use correct symbols. Show all calculation steps and state assumptions. Use correct units like kilojoules per mole. Clarity in presentation is key to understanding. Ensure your work is precise and well organized. Define the rate of reaction and apply collision theory. Understand the effects of temperature, concentration, pressure, and catalysts. Analyze Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution curves. Explain catalyst effects using energy profiles. Diagrams play a crucial role in illustrating these concepts. Use diagrams to explain changes clearly. Link particle behavior to reaction rates. Describe curve shifts and activation energy accurately. Use scientific language for clarity. Your explanations should be precise and comprehensive. Define dynamic equilibrium and state Le Chatelier's principle. Explain effects of concentration, temperature, and pressure changes. Apply equilibrium principles to industrial processes. Understand why compromise conditions are used. Mastery of these concepts is essential for practical applications. Define acids and bases using Brønsted-Lowry theory. Explain the pH scale and distinguish between strong and weak acids. Learn reactions of acids with alkalis, metals, and carbonates. Write balanced chemical equations. These concepts are foundational in chemistry. Define oxidation and reduction processes. Assign oxidation states to atoms and ions. Identify oxidizing and reducing agents. Balance redox equations using half equations. Clear explanation of electron transfer is crucial for understanding. Grade 1 requires accurate responses to all questions. Grade 2 involves very good depth, accuracy, and reasoning. Grade 3 demands excellent understanding, precision, and application. Full answers with correct notation and explanations are essential. Higher grades reflect a deeper comprehension of the material. All work must be original and reference sources using Harvard style. Correct chemical notation and showing workings for calculations are mandatory. Plagiarism and malpractice are strictly prohibited. Academic integrity is a cornerstone of your study. Uphold these standards in all your work. Use clear and concise language in your answers. Organize your work logically and ensure clarity in calculations. Label diagrams and use correct symbols. State assumptions and use correct units. A well-presented assignment reflects your understanding. Use OCR A-level chemistry textbooks for in-depth study. chemguide.co.uk offers valuable online resources. OpenStax Chemistry is a recommended resource. Access approved access to HE chemistry notes. These resources support your learning journey. Correct. This resource was created by the UK Versity Online. The UK Versity Online and its logos are unregistered trademarks. They reserve all rights to these items. Reproductions must comply with licensing terms. Respect intellectual property rights in your studies. Conclusion. This presentation has provided an overview of the fundamental principles of chemistry. Topics such as enthalpy changes, redox reactions, and other core concepts have been examined, highlighting their significance in understanding chemical processes. A solid grasp of these principles is essential for success in the core unit assessment for access to HE medicine, forming a strong foundation for further study in the field. For any queries or assistance, send a WhatsApp to 0748431688. Our team will be glad to help. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you again.